When you start GameMaker, you'll get a screen like this. There are three important parts of GameMaker which we'll use for our maze assignment project, and that's sprites, objects, and the room. Sprites are the graphic part of it, the picture if you like, of what we're trying to put on our maze. The object is a container that holds the picture, and that allows you to put it into the room. It also allows you to give it instructions on what to do depending on what events occur. So, to start off on our maze, we really need to design one on a piece of paper so you get an idea of where you want your walls. The next step is we need to put the walls, make the object for our walls. To do this, we need to make a sprite. So the first thing we do is click on Load a Sprite. That'll open up your S drive, which you'll see something like this. This is a Year 10 S drive. If I go down to Information Technology, I can double click that, go to Cracking the Code, go to GameMaker Resources, and in this case we'll go to number 5 folio, and we'll go down to the bottom here and pick wood. We have a wood block as an icon, so we choose that. We're going to call it SPR, short for Sprite Wood, and OK. So there's our first block for our edge. Now we want a character to move around, so we need to go back onto Sprite. We load Sprite again. We'll go back this time to our GameMaker Resources, and we'll open up number 1, we'll open up Sprites, we'll open up Nature, and we're going to get a cat. That's going to be our one to move around, so that's SBR cat, underscore cat, and then it's going to pick up some birds. So we load Sprite, we load a bird, and OK. Now we've loaded those as sprites. The next thing we need to do is to turn them into objects, because we can't do anything until we turn them into objects. So our objects is a blue ball here, so we create an object. It's going to be obj underscore wood, and then under here for sprite we look on our list, and obviously the sprite's going to be wood. We need to make it solid so nothing goes through, and OK. We then do the same for cat, so we make an object obj underscore cat, and that's going to take the cat sprite, solid again, and OK. And finally we're going to make one for our bird, obj underscore bird. We're going to get the bird sprite, which we didn't name properly. That's going to be solid as well, and OK. The next thing we do is make a room. We just click on that, and here is our room. Now the first thing we want to do is build some walls for our maze, so we choose the object wood. Now when we click, it'll place the block of wood where we click. If you hold it down and click it, rather just click, it'll put the block of wood. If you don't want it where you've put it, right click it and it'll take it away. So we can make these walls anywhere we like, and we can make our pattern for our maze. Okay, so I've clicked some wood around to make a simple maze. I'm now going to put the cat in. I'll put our cat here, and then I'm going to put a few birds around. Okay, so this is a very simple one, but what I've done is I've made my maze, I've put my cat that's going to move around, and there's lots of birds which it can collect. So that's the first step in making the maze.